The craft of storytelling is not a hit and miss endeavor. In fact, the more process you have between yourself and constructing a story and delivering it to an audience, the stronger your stories are going to become over time. So as you get better and better at telling stories, you'll get faster cut through, you'll get faster buy-in, you'll get faster feedback that your story is working. That's why I teach a variety of processes to help you go from beginner mode to expert mode. And one of those processes is a messaging format that you can use over and over again. And that if you have all those components worked out, you have half of your job done because you have the right message that you want to promote through your storytelling. Join me for influential storytelling to learn this skill and more.